Hello my friends and welcome to this Turkish get-up tutorial. If this is your first time attempting a Turkish get-up, I recommend checking out our half Turkish get-up video first, mastering that and then trying this.
Begin by lying down on your side facing the kettlebell with your arms in close to your body. From here, hook your hand nearest the kettlebell through the handle and then place your second hand over the top of the kettlebell. Now holding it with both hands, roll back so you're lying down on your back. From here, set your opposite leg at a 45-degree angle. Next, press the kettlebell, ensuring you're maintaining a straight wrist throughout. To transition from here to the seating position, push down and through the foot of your bent leg and the opposite elbow. Then from here, push up to come off the elbow onto the hand, extending the tricep, locking this out. As you do, make sure the shoulder remains packed. Now pushing through onto the foot of your bent leg, sweep your other leg inwards, bringing your knee of this leg now in line with the arm and hand on the floor. Next, swing your back leg round. Lastly, from this position, bring your midsection and torso up straight, engaging your core and glutes as you step through to the standing position. Whilst doing this, you want to make sure you're pushing up and through the front leg, keeping your arm holding the kettlebell locked out throughout, then practice reversing each of these steps.
If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, subscribe to the channel and have a great day.
You know what?